Redmond, Washington, settled as a logging community, now has transformed into Seattle's most mega tech hub. Just like the city itself, this home right here has been transformed by one of our favorite developers into the most beautiful home in this neighborhood. Redmond is one of the most resilient towns of Pacific Northwest. If you're looking for work, this is the spot, especially in the tech sector, with Microsoft headquartered no more than 3 miles down the road, Nintendo being right here in town, places like Meta in Bellevue, Google out in Kirkland. You can definitely find incredible work living right here. And it's not just the tech folks that absolutely blow up. It's also the crazy amount of healthcare jobs and the finance positions. Everyone here can win. Redmond is also known for its love of the outdoors, just like this massive backyard. With parks like Merrimore Park and over 30 other ones, there's always something to do. Whether you love golfing, flying RC planes, running down the Sammamish River Trail, you can find an incredible outdoor space here in Redmond. You're not also just centrally located where you can get to Seattle in less than 30 minutes and Bellevue downtown less than 20 minutes, but you're also one of the best school districts in the state of Washington. Redmond sits in the Lake Washington School District, and it is ranked actually in the top 5 in the entire state of Washington. All right, now that you know a little bit about why Redmond is the place to be, let me take you inside so Chris can show you around.
Okay guys, here we are, Redmond Education Hill, 1,700 plus square foot split level home in the heart of everything that Redmond has to offer. Let's take a quick tour and check this baby out. Look at this spacious, open floor plan on the upper level of this home. Soaring ceilings, exposed beams, beautiful windows to let all this amazing light in. All in the comfort of this fully remodeled, beautiful space. All right, we are standing here in the dining space of the upper level of this home. This has a great indoor-outdoor feel with huge windows on the back, huge windows in the front. You really just get a sense of being one with nature with all the big, beautiful trees that this house has in the back. It feels private, it feels comfortable. It feels like you want to sit here and enjoy a great meal with your family, with your friends, with anybody that you've got over at the house. Okay, we're making our way into the completely remodeled kitchen. Brand new countertops, appliances, cabinets, beautiful garden window here that has plenty of space for everything that you're going to need here in this kitchen. The finishes in here are top notch, and it's really just going to be an amazing place to make meals, make memories with your family, and just enjoy the space that you've got. As we make our way from the kitchen down the hallway here, one more thing I want to point out that you might not have noticed yet is check out these amazing real hardwood floors. This isn't laminate, this isn't vinyl, this isn't some cheap material that's just going to fall apart and chip. These are real hardwood floors that have been refinished. So keep that in the back of your mind. Coming down the hallway here, we've got one bedroom off to the right side with big bay windows looking out into the backyard. We've got a remodeled regular bathroom here that is shared for the smaller bedrooms. One more bedroom down here at the end, along with storage to the left, storage at the end here, another small bedroom with huge bay windows looking into the backyard, and then we get into the master, or the primary, where all the magic happens. Let's see it. Here's where the magic happens. Primary bedroom. Look at these big, beautiful bay windows. Brand new blinds, blackout blinds to keep the privacy. You've got a closet over here, and then it transitions over here to the master ensuite. So you've got a beautiful new vanity here, brand new countertops, brand new tile floors, and a brand new tile shower in here and a 3/4 bathroom. We're heading into the lower level of our split level home here. As we come into this side of the house, you've got storage closets on the right side and even a little bit of a wine cellar underneath the stairs. Kind of a cool little feature that, that the previous owner left just as kind of a golden nugget, if you will. Now, the bathroom on the lower level here is completely remodeled. It doubles as a laundry space, but has a massive soaking tub. I mean, look at the size of this thing. You can just see, based on where it comes up to me, this thing is huge. You could soak in this thing for hours if you really wanted to. I'll save you this and spare you me crawling in and out of this thing. Nobody wants to see that, but man, this thing is beautiful, and what an amazing retreat down here in the lower level. Still in the lower level here, check out these beautiful floors. We've got brand new laminate floors with a lighter color feel down here. It keeps it nice and light, keeps it airy, keeps it bright, because being in a lower level here in Washington, also with trees around the house, you'll notice it might get dark. Well, the flooring choice in here that the owner made really keeps it light, really keeps it airy. So that's really one of the really nice things about this space down here. So you've got beautiful bay windows here to look out, lets a lot of light in. Again, brand new blinds throughout the entire space. And then you've got a little wet bar here. This could actually double as a few different things. Could be a man cave, could be a mother-in-law apartment. Maybe you adjust this whole space into an accessory dwelling unit that you could rent out. You put a little cooktop up here. You've got the wet bar here, a refrigerator that's built in that's staying with the home. This could be a whole little apartment and potential rental income, or just more space for multi-generational living. The possibilities are endless, but one of the great things is you can just, hey, come down here, grab a beverage, or hey, grab some creamer, make your coffee. It really is flexible space that you could use for just about anything. Not only that, completely refinished. All of it matches the finishes of what's been done upstairs and throughout the entire house. Are you somebody that loves your outdoor space? Have a barbecue, relax, maybe throw up a pool, sit in the shade? This is the backyard for you. Huge, massive deck out here for entertaining, hanging out, relaxing, barbecuing. Little back deck up there for sitting there. But you turn around and you are just in the trees out here. This space is absolutely amazing. Personally, I love the outdoors. I love being outside. So walking out into a space like this is what really gets me going. Yeah, the house is beautiful. Yeah, the house is amazing. But the blank slate that you've got out here to turn this outdoor space into your personal oasis, I mean, there's a ton of possibilities here. I love the trees. I love the space that this place has to offer in the backyard. And it really just kind of makes my imagination run wild. So what can you make it? Before we wrap up this tour, I want to point out a few other things about this awesome house here in Redmond. So first one is the window package that's on this thing. It's got Andersen windows. And if you know anything about windows or had to buy a window package for your house anytime in the recent past, you know that they are the best of the best and one of the top-notch manufacturers that anybody can buy. A couple other things is the house has a brand new furnace, a brand new heat pump, and a brand new tankless hot water heater to go along with all of the systems in this house so that they're all brand new. So don't miss checking that stuff out when we're out here looking at the house. They are massive upgrades that will save you money in the future.
Thank you for joining Chris and I on this home tour of this beautiful home here in Redmond. We have folks reaching out to us every single day who want to move to the Redmond area. So if you're looking to make your move here in the next 3 days or even the next 3 months, shoot us a phone call, text, or an email so that we can help you make a smooth move.